Hello, in this recording video, we are going to discuss the career of John Cena. Now, the question here is, if John Cena retires next year, who should be his final opponent? Okay, let's look back at John Cena's career. Now, we all know that John Cena is one of the most top guy, lovable fans in the history of WWE. He is granted more Make-A-Wish Foundation, over 650 Make-A-Wish Foundation in the history of the company. And it's no secret that John Cena has done it all. Alright? And now, John Cena at this point of his career is hanging up the boots. He is planning to hang up the boots at the age of 50. John Cena is turning 47 this year, I think. And he said in his various interviews that he wants to hang up the boots when he reaches 50 years old. Now, yes, John Cena has done it all. He battled so many world champions, including Hall of Famers. Guys like Kurt Angle, The Undertaker, The Rock, um, let's see, Randy Orton, Batista, Triple H, Shawn Michaels, all in all. And then we all know the illustrious career of John Cena's career highlights. He became a Money in the Bank winner in 2012. He became a Royal Rumble winner twice in 2008 and 2013. He became the World Heavyweight Champion back in 2008, and then won the World Heavyweight Champion again in 2013. He became a WWE champion, a world champion 17 times. Yes, a world champion 17 times. And yes, who will be, as his career winding down, who will be John Cena's final opponent before he retires? Well, it's no secret that that should the man who will face John Cena in his last match is none other than his arch rival and his classmate from OVW, none other than the Viper, Randy Orton. Now, it's no secret that John Cena and Randy Orton has a tremendous history. Both of them have won Rumble matches, Money in the Bank, being champion. Now, it makes only sense that Randy Orton is the perfect opponent for John Cena's last match. I mean, look at it this way. They face times, so many times in various occasions during championship matches. They face each other at SummerSlam 2007, SummerSlam 2009, Breaking Point, Bragging Rights, SummerSlam 2007, all in all, Raw, SmackDown. So yeah, it makes sense to have Randy Orton as the perfect opponent for John Cena's final match. And yes, as well, Randy Orton has said in his various interviews that he has never faced John Cena at WrestleMania, and that is correct. John Cena and Randy Orton has faced each other so many times, but never at WrestleMania. So, yes, I hope we get that dream match, John Cena versus Randy Orton at WrestleMania for the championship. Now, John Cena is a 17-time World Heavyweight Champion. Randy Orton is a 14-time World Heavyweight Champion. So, John Cena's record, no, not a 17 time, 16 times, sorry. John Cena and Ric Flair John Cena tied the record of Ric Flair, holding 16 World Heavyweight Championships. Now, it only makes sense that Randy Orton should break, or maybe John Cena should break Ric Flair's record. Because let's face it, the 16 record of Ric Flair has never been broken and has tied. It has tied with John Cena, but the record of Ric Flair's 16 World Heavyweight Championship reign has never been broken. So either these two should either either these two should break Ric Flair's record. Remember, Randy Orton is a 14-time World Heavyweight Champion and John Cena is a 16-time World Heavyweight Champion. So yeah, I think these two should face up at WrestleMania for the championship because it makes sense. Well, who else would John Cena face for his last match than the Viper, Randy Orton? I mean, the classes of OVW is closer to retirement. Brock Lesnar is nearly closing to retirement. Randy Orton he's got 10 more years left in him. And now John Cena is picking up, and he said this very in his interviews he is one to hang up the boots when he reaches 50. So it makes sense to make Randy Orton to make Randy Orton John Cena's final opponent. So I want these two to face off at WrestleMania. So yeah, that is it for our explanation and analysis and winding down on John Cena's career. Let me know in the comments what you think. Don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel for more wrestling news and gaming news so you don't miss out on any videos that I upload. Peace out guys, subscribe.